Welcome to the stock market. The biggest question is, where should we start this story? If the stock market were to have a sound, this would be it. The opening bell rings every morning at 9:30 a.m. for the start of trading on the New York Stock Exchange. Here we have an initial public offering, or an IPO, a company that has just launched on the stock market. But let's rewind a little bit. In the 1100s, France had courtiers de change who managed agricultural debt on behalf of banks and were thought to be some of the first brokers.
Venice, Italy.
In the 1300s, hundreds of years before Shakespeare, the merchants of Venice traded government securities. They would act like a broker and meet clients to provide information. This then expanded to other cities including Verona, Genoa, Florence and Pisa, when back then that tower might have been a little straighter. But not that straight. It was a really bad idea from the start.
Belgium.
The first commodity exchange, the Bourse of Antwerp, was founded in 1531.
Amsterdam, sir. Amsterdam.
In 1602, the world's first formal stock exchange was created, the Amsterdam Stock Exchange. The Dutch East India Company was the first publicly traded company. It invested directly in many ships. Investors received stocks in paper, which they could hold on to get dividends or sell on to make money. Other countries followed, like Britain. In England, investors went to coffee shops as they were not allowed to use the Royal Exchange. America! New York, 1792, and brokers here were still meeting under trees, particularly the Buttonwood tree. But they signed the Buttonwood Agreement, the earliest recorded organisation of securities trading in New York. This led on to the New York Stock Exchange, situated on Wall Street. Nowadays, you can trade stocks on exchanges all over the world, from the Cambodian Securities Exchange, which lists only 5 companies, to the New York Stock Exchange with over 2,000 companies and a market cap of over $20 trillion. You can buy shares in brands including Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Tesla, Visa, Facebook, and not forgetting the crazy woman Creek Bancorp, who's actually having a pretty good year. Companies can list and delist, then list again, or merge, or go bust. So the number of companies listed on the stock markets changes every day. Investopedia estimated at about 630,000, and that's at a total value of around $100 trillion. The big question is, how are you going to be a part of it?
Show me the money! Show me the money!